Hi, 你好. I'm Chef Tom. Stir-fried vegetable with white sauce. Medium-high heat. Tiny little bit vegetable cooking oil. Just a little bit. Ginger and garlic in right away. One, two, three, cooking. Stir the ginger and garlic until aromatic. And you're gonna get the vegetable in right away. Smell amazing. Make sure your pot and pan high heat. Look at that. Add a little wine, sake. You can substitute sake with some juice if you like. Apple juice, orange juice, a little juice will be okay. Quick stir fry will bring the texture of the vegetable and so healthy. And I have part of the white rice cooking. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add some plain water. Just enough to make a sauce. Maybe quarter cup like that. And then I have a couple teaspoons of the cornstarch with 3-4 ounces of water. Once the sauce brings up to a boil, add a little bit at a time. Little bit at a time, cannot be too much. Let the sauce bring out to the thickness like this. Ah, gorgeous. So easy, simple, 10-15 minutes meal. Look at how beautiful, huh? Now we're gonna turn it off. So really quick, I forgot pepper and salt. Don't forget pepper and salt, just a little bit here. It's like this, okay, not much. Or you can add it in later, it's fine too. Beautiful, look at that, huh? And you know what I love to do? Pure vegetable. We can add some almond nut. I got this roasted almond nut. Give them a crunchy taste. Put on the top like this. And my rice is cooking good. Right? Here we go. Delicious, healthy, easy to eat. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.